Hello everyone, today we are gonna be playing Roblox Build a Boat, and my goal is probably gonna be to get to the end at least once. I mean, I've done it before, so it shouldn't be too hard to do it again. Alright. Oh yeah, I gotta clean that. So I was debating whether to just do it normally and then build a boat, because I already have stuff loaded in. So I'm just gonna try with, if this doesn't work, then I'll probably try with Waller. I kind of forgot what I put there, so I'm just gonna load in my car. Alright, don't make fun of it. I know it's kind of, well, it's not the best, but jetpack here. I'm gonna get a jetpack so that if all else fails, at least I'll have a way to get out. Only if I can find where I put it. Oh, there it is. Alright. Launch. And drive. Wow, I have very good control over this. Cut out most of these parts because it's gonna be pretty boring if you guys are just watching me every minute slowly. Second thing I have saved. Alright guys, do not make fun of it. It's kind of a sad attempt of a ship, because I wanted to build one, but then yeah, I don't know what happened. Oh, it looks, don't expect some crazy 10 out of 10 ship. It's really mid. Yeah, but I'd say it's pretty good. We have a downstairs place with nothing and my jetpack back there. Then there's another room. There's swords. Don't really know what I use those for. A cannon. Oh, cannon. Then if I go up, this is the driver's seat or whatever. Alright, let's try it. Let's try it out with this. Like, I think we got past. No, this where we have to stop. Being hammered. See, this is the part that I don't like. We're gonna try one more time with the car, and if I can't make it, I think we're just gonna have to call it the end right there. And if you guys are wondering what home is, don't worry about it. We're not gonna be using that today. And again, if you're liking these videos, make sure to like and subscribe, and yeah, just support the channel. And please like, because like one like equals one better internet for me. I don't know why I keep on saying that. It probably doesn't, but like, I'm just gonna try it anyway. Alright, this car is. Oh, I should have got the jetpack just in case. It's not fair. Now, this next one is gonna be the last run. And it has to work, because I have not gotten past the movie theater area. Which is kind of funny, because my birthday was yesterday. Loading the car. My lag is so bad. Like, I don't know whether y'all are seeing this. I mean, obviously you guys are, but like, my lag is just so bad. Unfortunately, guys, due to my lag, I think I'm gonna have to end this right here. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.